What's up guys? It's good to see you again. Hopefully you can hear me. It's been really windy today. But before we get started, I know we're super late to the trend. We originally weren't planning on making a fidget spinner video, but there's been so many comments asking for one, we figured we'd make one for you guys anyway. Probably not the fidget spinner video you're expecting, but hopefully still fun to watch. So let's do this.
Oh, I got it. Alright, so we figured that probably wouldn't pop the balloons, so we modified it with some sewing needles.